Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a watch me work type video. I'm going to be working on my neighbor's nails and we wanted to do something cute and fun for fall. So I recently purchased, when LGNPro had their Labor Day sale, the primary gel color collection and also the shimmer glitter one. These are so pretty and pigmented, absolutely gorgeous in person, and I just really loved using these products. I took off her last set and now I'm just going in with a base coat. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for about 30 to 45 seconds and then we're going to get started with the design. First color I'm going in with is this key component color, and this is a beautiful mustard yellow. We're going to do that on the pinky and the thumbs. My first initial thought before using these was they were going to be pretty sheer, but honestly after I put 2 layers on it, it gave me the exact coverage I was looking for and it was perfect. So the gel's colors, they're not as thick of a consistency as some of the other gels on her website. These give more of a builder gel consistency, which is a lot more liquidy. But honestly, I didn't have a problem with it. Once I did a couple nails, I actually found it a little bit easier to use because sometimes with the thicker consistency gels, I tend to overwork it and then it ends up bleeding into the cuticle. After I put my slip layer down, I put another layer just down the center of the nail. And then I took a small liner brush and I just worked that around the cuticle and down the sides of the nail. And I felt like that just gave me more control and I didn't have much of a cuticle mess as I have in the past. Next color is So Vital, and this is a beautiful red color. I feel like this is absolutely perfect for fall and also perfect for Christmas and winter time. So I'm just again applying a slip layer and then I'm going to apply a little bit more product down the center of the nail. I'm going to take my liner brush and then work that around the cuticle and down the sides of the nail to get a more precise shape and avoid flooding the cuticle area. I really feel like blending this red and that yellow together would give you the most perfect orange color for fall also. I wish I would have done that actually because as we were working this set, she's looking at it and she goes, "It's giving me very much Ronald McDonald," which I didn't even think about until after I'd already applied the colors. So we do decide to add a little bit of glitter and sparkle to change that up a little bit. But I believe, yeah, it would have made a really beautiful orange color if we had mixed those two together. For the ring finger and also the middle finger, we're going to do some encapsulation. So I'm going to be placing these gold foils around randomly. And then I'm going to be using some leaf sequins and some glitter gels. And we're just going to kind of make this look random and sparkly and fall-like. From the Shimmer On collection, we're going to be using this red and the orange, and look how stunning they are. So shimmery and beautiful. Again, you have to see them in person. On camera, it just doesn't do it justice. But we're going to be placing those around the leaves and just kind of making that a little more glittery. And then I'm going to put the orange on top of the yellow color, and then I'm going to take the red and put that on top of the red color, the red shimmer, just to kind of change that Ronald McDonald look and make it more sparkly. once everything has been applied and cured in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, you're going to take a lint-free wipe and some rubbing alcohol to clean off that tacky layer that's left on the nails. Then I'm going to go through file, shape, and buff, which I do off camera. My table does move around, so it's very hard for me to stay in focus, and also on camera without my table moving around like crazy and looking like an earthquake. So I definitely don't have that on camera. Here are the nails after everything has been filed, shaped, and buffed. I'm now just going to go through and apply a top coat, cure that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. Here is the finished design. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set and if you would rock these for fall. As always, I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I do weekly nail videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!